Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Neha Goyal, and the topic for today is contestation to knowledge. Contestation to knowledge is the study of conflict between the human thought and the social context within which it arises, and to see the effects prevailing on societies. Knowledge is usually associated with power in social contexts. Those who have power, they also have the authority to confine knowledge to themselves or restrict others to have it. Contestation to knowledge can be associated with three main domains. First, dominance, marginalization, and subversion. Dominant groups create disparities among the society by controlling the value system and giving privilege to their own kind. They can be dominance of caste, class, gender, region, or language. Marginalization can be done economically, socially, politically, or culturally. Groups are forced or pushed to the edge of the society and were restrained to gain knowledge. Subversion is the process by which the value and principles of a system are reversed. It is basically an attack on public morale. Dominance. In a social hierarchy, the influence or control over the culture, beliefs, explanations, perceptions, values, etc. is called dominance. Hence, dominant groups are those groups which have power, privilege, and social status. A social group that controls the value system and rewards in a particular society is called dominant group. Generally, societies consist of dominant groups and marginalized groups. Dominant groups create society in their image and create plausibility structures. They make it seem like the way things are done are self evident when in fact they created it. Dominant caste refers to the caste which is numerically strong and also wields the greatest economic and political power. They are able to transfer this control over wealth into political dominance over the panchayat decision. The dominant caste groups monopolize the leadership positions in the panchayat, thus gaining more opportunities to government contracts, employment, and funding. Dominant class. In Indian society, dominant class group consists of mainly industrialists, rich farmers, and landlords, and the professionals. Dominant religion. In India, according to 2011 census, 79.3% of population constitute of people following Hinduism, with 14.2% of the population as Muslims, 3% Christians, rest 3 constituents, 6 Jains and other religions. So Hindus form the dominant religious group. Thank you.